By December 4, 2022, ChatGPT already had over 1 million users, and in January 2023, ChatGPT reached over 100 million users. So sometimes, due to a lot of traffic around ChatGPT, I'll get this, or maybe this. So here are some free alternatives for ChatGPT, which works as similar as ChatGPT works. But obviously, ChatGPT is king. Anyways, so the first one is the ChatGPT bot for Discord, and for that you're gonna go to Discord bot list. Just search for Discord bot list over on any of the browser and go to the first given link by discordbotlist.com. Once you're there, now you're gonna go and in the search bar you have to search for ChatGPT, and you will get a bot of ChatGPT right here. So just simply go with that and add this Discord bot to your Discord server. And here I have already added this bot to my server. You can see right here it is. Now in order to use this bot, how you will use that bot, so for that you can see we have these commands right here: /chat, imagine, help, and bot. So in order to chat with this bot, you're gonna go and type /chat. Now once you type this, we have two options, a message and a model. So first you're gonna go and type your message here, any of the question which you want to ask from ChatGPT, and in model I suggest you to select GPT-3 and just hit enter. Once you hit enter, you can see ChatGPT, this bot replied us, and here is a complete answer for why quadratic formula is used. So this is basically how the bot works. And on second we have ChatGPT for Google Chrome. So for that you're gonna go to Google Chrome Web Store, and over there you have to search for ChatGPT, and we have this extension right here. Just add this extension to your browser. Once you will add that, you can see we have the extension right here, which is very similar, but I think it's obviously the real ChatGPT. So over here you can just go and type any of the question and it will reply you. So these are two alternatives. When the ChatGPT doesn't work, you can obviously try this. So all for today's video guys, make sure to give this video a huge thumbs up, subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.